This is the little space heater, tiny space heater, that my wife and I use in our little RV. It has a fan setting, 1000 or 1500 watts. We only ever set it to the 1000 watts. And it's a little dirty, and when it plugs in and goes, the little fan makes all sorts of little noises, something like yep, just like that. I've got the air compressor going in the garage right now, so I'm going to use it to blow out and get the dust off. But I'll show you what I do to service this. This isn't the first time I've done this. So by taking this off, I show the little spring that holds the fan in place. And what I want to do is get the fan off so I can get to the motor and lube it. Get it all cleaned up. Forgot to show you just how horrible it sounds. Depending on how it sets, it sounds pretty rough. I've got the back off right now, so I don't stick the fingers in there. Turn the fan on. And so, got the flashlight going now. You see how dirty it gets too. We're going to clean this up. But that rattling sound, I want that to go away. We'll grab a small pair of pliers, give this a clamp, and pull the thing off. Problem is, I'm trying to do this one-handed. All right. It's got some hair and lint on it. And that pulls right off out of there now. And I've got some hair wrapped up around this thing. Yuck. Throw that out. That'll immediately clean that up. Now on the inside, it's old. There's a bit of play and rattle in it. So I'm just going to take a real light oil and put it right here on this bushing. And that'll pretty much do it. Real simple, and that'll be good for this season. Right now, I have the motor turned on, and it's running pretty simple. I've got some WD-40 to put there, and then I'll just get a drip and put it on. And it seems kind of like it's not going to do what you want it to do, but yes, it will. I don't want to spray it right in there and get a bunch of WD-40 gunk all over the magnets in the motor. But there you have it. nice and quiet. I'm going to go ahead and put this little spring right back on here. And then before I put it back together, I'm going to use my air compressor and blow out all the dust that's in here. Well, I did not show you the blowing out of the dust. That side of the garage is just too cluttered. No place to put anything. So now, screw it back together and I'll let you hear it work. Oh, it's back together. It's running nicely. It's quiet. It's pumping out some nice warm air. And it's going to do nice as we visit some family this holiday. Keep the trailer nice and warm. Yay! And there you go. There you have it. If you got something that's that needs some maintenance, don't just throw it away and spend money on it. See if you can fix it first. Good luck.